Hello, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C., but our clients are located all throughout the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. Okay, we help with all types of immigration applications. I can go through some of our most common case types, which I think will be helpful to you guys, but I'm on here to give you an opportunity to learn about immigration, to ask some kind of questions if you're trying to figure something out. Of course, I can't have a one-on-one attorney-client conversation because we have several people joining. We're streaming live on Facebook, on YouTube, and on TikTok. So we have Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. We're streaming live on all of them, and this is an opportunity for you guys to get to know me. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm based in Washington, D.C. We have clients all throughout the United States. They're literally all over the place. So you can feel free to reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, and schedule a consultation. You can look at our website if you would like. You can learn about our firm, our mission, about our background, our experience, and you can check us out there at agarwalimmigration.com. Again, that's agarwalimmigration.com. If you're just joining, welcome. Thank you for joining us. We go live fairly frequently, so make sure you follow us and like us on all our social media platforms. That way you can get notified when I'm on and you can join me here. We have some folks that join us all the time, that join us every single time I'm on live. They are following us, liking us, commenting on our posts. They're staying up to date with immigration changes. We just had some changes to fees that are going to go into effect April 1st. That's something you want to think about. And make sure that you're ready for, you're strategize on the types of applications that you have. Sometimes your application fees are going to go down depending on your type of application if you file after April 1st. Other times, if you have a green card application, for example, that's family-based, your fees might go up. So you want to stay on top of that because you don't want to send in the wrong fees because it can take over a month for them to return that application to you. So you have an opportunity to send in again, but you also have to look at, are you going to have a status violation issue, right? So there's lots of different components here, and you want to make sure that you understand all of the rules. They're changing starting April 1st for most applications. So just make sure you understand all of the rules and that you are, sorry, I'm just reading some questions here, and that you are, that you're working with an attorney if you can. If you have the luxury of working with an attorney, make sure that you do. I would suggest that you do, just so you can be aware of the changes, aware of the rules. All the immigration attorneys are themselves getting up to date now, and some areas are pretty confusing. So if you have questions, do a consultation at minimum. You can reach us for a consultation at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also call our office, 703-348-1663, or you can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients literally all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications. Okay? Thanks, guys, for joining. I'm going to start off with my question of the day, and I'm streaming here on multiple platforms, so make sure you like us and follow us on all the platforms if you can. And if you have other friends or family that might be interested in joining us for this conversation, share this with them so they can jump on the next time I'm live, and we can all be a part of this whole learning experience, because immigration, I think we all know, can be super complicated, can feel complicated and burdensome. It is for people that are fluent English speakers. So for us, some of us that might not speak English fluently, it might be a second language. It might be really difficult to understand the requirements. So have a consultation with an attorney. We're doing our consultations by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Again, that's by phone, by Zoom, or in person. And when you schedule it, you can let them know how you would like to do that consultation. Our Washington, D.C. office is where we have the consultations in person, but we literally can do consultations by Zoom and by phone for those located anywhere, all throughout the United States, okay? If you want to call us, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also, if you want to go to our Facebook page, you can go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or you can go on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and you can schedule directly from there as well. All right? Hi, Nana. Nice to see you. Hi, G. Nice to see you. NM, thanks for always joining. It's so nice to have some of these loyal repeat viewers. It's fun to see you. I hope that you guys are having a good week. I hope that many of you got to celebrate Valentine's Day yesterday. We can, if you have questions about fiancé visas now, right? Perhaps fiancé visas after Valentine's Day, or sponsoring a green card for a spouse. We would love to chat about that today and with my Valentine's Day pink, right, guys? Great. Okay, so if you'd like a shout out, say hi, tell me where you're watching from, and as always, feel free to put your questions in here. I'm going to do my best to answer these questions for you. But just know that this is not confidential, right? We have all these folks streaming from different places. I can give you general immigration information, but if you would like a confidential consultation, call our office 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Also on our Facebook page, there's a link. If you go look at it, there's a link. You can schedule your consultation directly from there. Just follow the instructions. Or you can go on our website, learn about us, and there's a way for you to schedule from our website contact us page as well. That's 703-348-1663 for the phone number. For our website, it is agarwalimmigration.com. Again, that's agarwalimmigration.com. Hey, Nana. Nana says, I'm watching from Massachusetts. Awesome. Nice to see you. Thank you for joining. Lewis says, hello. Hi. Thank you for joining us. If you have immigration questions, feel free to put them in there. Otherwise, join us. Just hang out, learn about immigration. Hopefully you leave here knowing, being a little bit more knowledgeable about immigration than you were 10 minutes ago, right? I would love that. Okay, so I always start off with a question of the day, and this is something that I think can help many of you guys if you are in the situation, and perhaps if not you, someone that you might know. Also, it just generally helps you understand immigration a little bit better, right? So I'm here to teach you a little bit about immigration, hopefully provide some clarity with maybe some complications that you might be having. But schedule a consultation if you want to get specific advice to your case or to someone else's case that you know, okay? And you can do that again, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can check out our website or our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, to get on there and schedule a consultation today. All right. Okay, so here's my question of the day. What can disqualify someone from sponsoring a family member for a green card, right? So how can I be disqualified from being able to sponsor a family member for a green card? Remember, only U.S. citizens or green card holders are allowed to sponsor family members for a green card, but not all U.S. citizens or not all green card holders can move forward with family-based sponsorship, okay? So what can disqualify them? One thing is having a criminal history, right? So if I'm a U.S. citizen or I'm a green card holder and I'm convicted of certain crimes, I might not be able to sponsor my wife, sponsor my children, sponsor my parents who might be located outside the country. So if you have a criminal history, or if your spouse has a criminal history, they might not be able to sponsor you, but there might be ways for you to sponsor yourself. For example, if your U.S. citizen child, right, is 21 or over, you might be eligible for something like VAWA, where you don't need them to move forward with your green card application, right? So call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Okay, another way that you can be disqualified if you're a US citizen or a green card holder, another way you can be disqualified from sponsoring a family member is if you don't satisfy the income requirements, right? So if you do have to have a threshold amount that you have to earn, and that is based on the size of the household. All right, so you want to the larger your household is, the more you have to earn in order to be able to sponsor someone or sponsor someone in their family. Okay, all of this is publicly listed. It can be hard to understand, so if you need assistance with that, feel free to reach out to us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. You can schedule a consultation with us by phone by calling our office, 703-348-1663, or you can go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or go on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and you can schedule directly from there. All right, awesome. Let me read through some of your other questions, guys, okay? So on YouTube here, G says, "Hi, ma'am. It's already been 4 months from filing VAWA and no prima facie yet. They received October 1st and they transferred it to Vermont." Okay. The general time frame to receive the prima facie determination is usually for our firm around 3 months is when we receive that prima facie determination. Not all cases will get it. It's a very good step if you do receive that in your VAWA process. But if you didn't include all the evidence, for example, many people forget to include evidence of good moral character. If that wasn't included, or if you worked with someone, maybe they are not an attorney, or maybe they are an attorney and they're not experienced with VAWA, they might not have included everything that's required for a prima facie case. So what you want to do is supplement your application. Make sure you satisfy all the requirements. It is possible to supplement, but if you don't have your prima facie yet, I would highly recommend having a consultation, work with an attorney to review what has been filed and to see if anything is missing, and then you can supplement that filing. If we can help you, reach out to us. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Okay, perfect. All right, so Nana says, "Hi, attorney, how are you doing? Please, how long does it take after your advanced parole and EAD is approved? Do you receive your card in the mail?" So it depends, Nana, if you have an EAD card and advanced parole. If you just have a straightforward green card application, you might be required to have an interview. So usually the card will come shortly after the interview. Depending on the type of application you have, let's say it's a VAWA and a green card, it can take about 1.5 years or 2.5 years even after your EAD AP approval to receive your green card in the mail. So first you usually have an interview. Sometimes the interviews are waived. We're seeing more and more of that now. So I hope yours is waived. That's just one less step for you to receive that green card. But it's waived usually depending on the strength of the application. So you want to have a very strong application. If there's any RFEs, you want to have a very strong response. So what I would suggest is, if you don't work with an attorney, work with an attorney or work with someone who knows how to do these applications, preferably an attorney, right? Because you don't want to miss something. And you should be able to respond fully, prepare your evidence pretty strongly at the very beginning of filing your case. All right, call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. We do our consultations by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Again, that's by phone, by Zoom, or in person. So the phone and Zoom consultations, we can do the same exact things as we can do in person. So if you don't have to come to DC unless you want to come and see us in person, we always love to see our clients in person. We just saw several actually yesterday for in-person consultations, but many also had Zoom and phone consultations as well. So we can accommodate any way you would prefer. The important thing is that you get the advice that you need, that you can figure out what the process is if you're eligible, and get that immigration application started. If you're not in status, getting in status is going to be life-changing for you. This is just the start of the year. And imagine in just 6 months, if you could have work authorization and travel authorization, right? So I would really focus on making sure you speak with someone, you get some information about how you might get status in the United States if you don't have status, if you're undocumented, okay? And again, if you are sponsoring someone, if you have status yourself, you want to bring family in, that's something to think about as well. All right, give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients literally all over the United States. Some of our clients are even outside of the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. Awesome. Thank you for your questions here, guys. All right. NM, hi. Hi, NM. Louis says, hello. Nana says, I'm watching from Massachusetts. Great. Shout out to you in Massachusetts. Louis says, let me ask, how long does it take to get a green card through VAWA? How long does it take to get a green card through VAWA? To get a green card through VAWA, you will likely take about 2 to 2.5 years to receive the green card. But the timeline is so long, and you see benefits as soon as 2 months. So when we apply for a VAWA and a green card, we will receive the prima facie determination, which is kind of like a pre-approval of your case and come with some benefits as well. That comes around 2 to 3 months after we apply. We look at work authorization. It's coming around 7 months after we apply. We're receiving work authorization, social security number, travel authorization, so you can leave and visit family and come back if you need to. Not all clients are authorized for that. So definitely talk to me about that before you do that. A VAWA approval in about 1.5 years, which is going to protect you from removal, right? And then a green card about 1 year after that. So we're looking at about 2.5 years. So this is a lengthy process, but you see so many benefits along the way, and you can renew your work authorization all throughout the process up until you get a green card if you are doing a VAWA and a green card. Call us for a consultation. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I hope that was helpful to you, Luis. Christiana says, hi, ma'am. I filed I-485, I-131, and I-765. I filed for a fee waiver, and it was approved. And the VAWA was approved too, but I filed VAWA separately. What should be next after the fee waiver? Oh, great. Okay, so if your VAWA is already approved and now you're filing for green card and all of the pending applications, which is the work authorization and the travel authorization, then you should get receipt notices for those applications that you filed. You will most likely not have to be fingerprinted, but you may be required to go and give your fingerprints depending on when the last time they did biometrics was, and then an interview and your green card. Your interview may be waived, but congratulations, Christiana, on having that VAWA approved. That is fantastic news. It's a great first step. It's usually the harder part in this process is to get the VAWA approved, and then usually the green card process is downhill. So call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. All right, Mohammed says, I have my VAWA C9 category. I have a combo card. My prima facie expires March 21st. When is the new one? Usually they just send it anyway. Okay, so they just send it usually right around when it's about to expire. So you should be getting the new prima facie determination right around March 20th or March 15th or so. So not to worry, they do it automatically. If you don't receive it, then ask your attorney to reach out to the VAWA hotline, let them know what's going on, and they will send it. All right. Give us a call if we can help you, 703 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Great. Christiana says, thank you. I'm from New York. Awesome. I was just in New York a couple weeks ago for an interview, for a citizenship interview for one of our clients. It's been such a long journey and wonderful, wonderful to see her through till the end. She was so nervous, but she did amazing. And we had several prep sessions with her. She was amazing. And we're so proud that she had the courage to apply for, study for, and receive her U.S. citizenship. She's been here since she was a kid. So anyway, I'm going off on a tangent, but that's what we were doing in New York, and it was wonderful to see that. Christiana, it's exciting. If you do decide to work with us, we'd love to see you in New York as well. Dinesh G says, thank you. You're welcome. Dinesh says, my asylum BIA is administratively closed and my VAWA is approved. Can we terminate proceedings in the BIA? Awesome. Yeah, that's a great question. So you may need to recalendar the case in an immigration court and then have it terminated, right? So if it's admin closed, it needs to basically be closed out so you can move forward with the green card process with USCIS. Otherwise, you can apply for the green card in immigration court if they will recalendar your hearing. Okay, call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Christiana says, thank you, you're welcome. Dinesh says, how long does it take? It just depends. It can take a little while, but it's a great step. Your VAWA is approved, so fantastic, fantastic. It's a huge step, and it protects you from removal, so you're pretty good there, okay? Awesome. After obtaining my green card, how long until I can apply for citizenship? So after obtaining my green card, how long will it be before I can apply for citizenship? So receiving your green card is super, super exciting, right? But when you qualify for citizenship depends on how you received that green card. So if you were married to a U.S. citizen, in most cases, you can apply for citizenship after 3 years as a green card holder. In most other cases where you're not married to a U.S. citizen, so let's say you got your green card through a green card holder spouse, you got it through your parents, right? Or you got it through work or a humanitarian method, then you have to wait 5 years before you can apply for citizenship. You can always submit the application 90 days before that 3-year mark or 90 days before that 5-year mark. All right, if we can help you with your citizenship applications, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal, and we help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications and their citizenship applications as well. Thank you. All right. Mohammed says, I used a VAWA combo card and arrived safely, but in New Jersey, no Pearl stamp in my passport is normal. No I-94 form attached. Perfect. Mohammed, great. I'm glad you were able to enter the U.S. safely through your VAWA combination card. Awesome. I'm really excited for you that happened. We do advise our VAWA clients not to travel. We don't want some decision on the VAWA to come through while you are abroad and then you are stuck abroad, right? So we would definitely not want that. However, all the I-94s now that we've seen are all electronic. So you want to check online to see what your I-94 form says. And we don't really see so many parole stamps in the actual passport anymore. Okay, call us if we can help you. You can reach us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Do the documents for a marriage-based green card need to be translated to English? Do the documents for a marriage-based green card need to be translated to English? Yes. So every time you submit a foreign language document for any immigration application, so you may be submitting your birth certificate, your marriage certificate, right? Maybe even just messages between you and your spouse to show that it's a real marriage, not just for immigration. Anything in a foreign language needs to be translated in full, okay? And whoever translates it also needs to certify that everything was translated accurately and truthfully, that they're fluent in both those languages. That's a great question. Call us if we can help you with your green card applications. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We are located here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States. They're located anywhere in the United States, and we help with all types of immigration applications. All right, I think I answered most of your questions, guys. Call us. I hope you had a wonderful Valentine's Day yesterday. I hope you have wonderful weekend plans coming up. It's been so nice to see so many of you again and again on this live. If you don't already follow us and like us on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, we're streaming on all the platforms. If you don't already follow us and like us on these platforms, make sure that you do. Share this post with friends or family that might also be interested in joining us for this immigration conversation. I look forward to seeing many of you for a consultation. All right, thanks so much. I will see you again. Hopefully, maybe before the end of the week, but most likely next week on Monday. Okay. Hope everyone has a great weekend if I don't see you again, and I will see you all very soon. Thank you. Bye.